Hello, this is Alan. I'm the District Technology Resource Teacher, Bowling Green City Schools. Today, I want us to look at YouTube. I want to see how you can create your own playlist, which I think will help you to work smarter, not harder, and help get information to your students. So I'm gonna use mine as an example. You can see I'm here at youtube.com. I click on my channel, which hopefully all of you have set up your channel by now. And if you don't know, everybody has a YouTube channel attached to your school Google account. And if you notice here in the library section, these are all of my different playlists. So if I click on Google Tips for BGISD, here's a playlist that has all the different videos related to Google Tips for BGISD. If I click on Google Level 1 certification, these are videos that went with Google Level 1 certification. And here's 3D printing. These are videos that go with 3D printing. So you can see there is a great benefit to adding those. And anytime you have a playlist, you can play all of them. So if your students needed to play something on quadratic equations and there were 3 videos about that, they could play them all. You could click the share button. You could actually share it via Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Blogger, a lot of these different things. Or in a minute, I'll show you how you can copy and paste to Google Classroom. You could embed this into a website, or you could just simply email this. So it's got some great features how you can share that. But to get started, we'll click on Library, and when you get to Library, you can have a new playlist. So if I click New Playlist, I'm going to just call this one YouTube Fun Playlist. And I can decide whether to make it public, unlisted, or private. If I choose public, anybody can see it. If I choose unlisted, then only those people who I send the link to can see it. So especially for some of the elementary teachers, you may want to consider doing this unlisted if you're sending things directly to your students, and if you're making your own videos and you don't want that public on the web. Also, if you're private, that means only the people that you specifically invite will be able to see that. Today, I'm going to leave it public because it's nothing that has any concerns for me. Click Create. And, excuse me, I'm going to create a new playlist and YouTube Fun Playlist. I'll go ahead and create that. That one's created already. Now, if I go to my search and I type in Abbott and Costello, which many of you know that's one of my favorite ones, and if I play the 7 times 13 equals 8, all I have to do from this point on is click Add To and find my YouTube Fun List. And if you notice, you can actually add that same video to multiple lists. I'm going to take it off of the others. So now it'll be on my YouTube Fun List. So that also means if I'm sitting around my house and I just during a commercial on a television show, and I say I want to do Schoolhouse Rock, I can do the preamble to Schoolhouse Rock. That video comes up, and I can simply add the preamble right here to my YouTube Fun playlist. And if you notice where the 3 lines are, I can go back to my library. I can see my YouTube Fun list. And now those videos have been added. And that's quite easy to add those. Now, if I want to put this YouTube Fun playlist on my Google Classroom channel, I would simply click Share. I would copy that URL. I would open up my Google Classroom. There's multiple ways I could do it. I can do just create an announcement, and we'll call this YouTube Fun Playlist. If I choose to do a topic, I could create a new topic and just say fun videos. Now, normally you can go to YouTube and add a single video, but for this one, you need to go to the link and just paste in the link on the add link. And now I can post it to my Google Classroom. Now, even easier than that, if you're using the Google Chrome browser and you have your Classroom Share to Classroom extension created, Once I'm here at my YouTube playlist, I could just click share, and that'll open up my classroom. And if I want to send it to my BGISD playlist, which is right here, I click here, and notice I can push to students, and that'll just push that as just a link, and it'll push it straight to the students. I click push to students, and momentarily, if the student is in my Google Classroom, that will pop up right inside of their Google Classroom. And that's a good way for students to do that. So hopefully you learned a little bit today. All things Google. Hopefully it helps you. Let's all work smarter, not harder. And if you learn how to do this, make sure you share your colleague. Thanks.